Namaste dear friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most powerful and the life-saving hand gestures in yogic tradition, Hridaya Mudra, also known as Apana Vayu Mudra or Mritasanjivani Mudra. This sacred mudra is deeply connected to the heart and emotions, offering immense physical and spiritual benefits. It is said that in times of emotional distress or even hurt ailments, Hridaya Mudra can bring immediate relief and healing. Let's dive deep into its meaning, method, benefits, and how you can incorporate it into your daily practice. The word Hridaya in Sanskrit means heart, and Mudra means gesture or seal. This hand gesture is specifically designed to awaken the energies of the heart, balance emotions, and regulate the prana flowing through the cardiovascular system. It is also called Mritasanjivani Mudra, meaning the gesture that brings life back from the clutches of death, a testament to its immense healing power for heart-related conditions. Now let's learn how to perform Hridaya Mudra properly. Find a comfortable seated posture such as Sukhasana, cross-leg posture, or Padmasana, lotus pose. Keep your spine straight and relax your shoulders. And now follow these steps carefully. Bring the tip of your index finger to the base of your thumb. Join the tip of your middle finger and ring finger to the tip of your thumb, keeping your little finger extended and relaxed. Now rest your hands over your knees with the palm facing upward. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and bring your awareness to your heart center. This mudra can be practiced for up to 30 minutes, either in one sitting or in multiple shorter sessions throughout the day. What makes Hridaya Mudra so powerful? This mudra combines elements of both Vayu Mudra, which controls the air element, and Apana Mudra, which regulates the downward moving energy responsible for detoxification. It diverts pranic energy from the hands directly to the heart, nourishing the cardiac muscles and strengthening the heart chakra. The middle finger and ring finger represents energy channels, nadis, that are directly linked to the heart. The thumb acts as an energizer, redirecting prana towards these channels. The index finger, which represents the ego and air element, is folded down to signify surrender, allowing the heart to open without interference from the mind. This simple yet profound gesture helps in releasing pent-up emotions, dissolving stress, and unburdening the heart from emotional baggage. Hridaya Mudra is directly connected to Anahata Chakra, the fourth energy center, which governs love, compassion, and emotional well-being. When we experience emotional turmoils, heartbreak, or grief, this chakra can become blocked, leading to anxiety and stress-related disorders. Regular practice of Hridaya Mudra helps in balancing this chakra, allowing energy to flow freely, bringing a sense of inner peace and emotional stability. Hridaya Mudra offers numerous benefits for both physical and emotional well-being. Let's look at some of its most profound effects. First, support heart health. Helps in preventing and managing heart ailments, including ischemic heart disease. Second, emergency aid for heart attack. If practiced at the first sign of a heart attack, it can provide quick relief. Third, regulates blood pressure. Helps in stabilizing both high and low blood pressure. Fourth, releases emotional stress. Aids in letting go of past emotional wounds, grief, and anxiety. Fifth, balances prana, vital energy. Redirects energy towards the heart center for healing. Sixth, enhances meditation and spiritual growth. Deepens the connection with love, compassion, and self-awareness. Seventh, supports varicose vein treatment. Can help elevate symptoms when combined with Pran Mudra. For enhanced effects, you can combine Hridaya Mudra with pranayama and mantra chanting. The most powerful mantra to pair with this mudra is the Mahamrityunjay mantra, also known as the Mritasanjivani Mantra. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pusti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityurmokshiyamamrita. Reciting this mantra while holding Hridaya Mudra amplifies its life-giving potency and creates a powerful vibrational field around the heart. Although Hridaya Mudra is highly beneficial, it is important to practice in moderation, especially for individuals with a kapha constitution, as it may increase sluggishness if overdone. Always listen to your body and practice mindfully. Hridaya Mudra is a gift from ancient yogic wisdom, a tool to heal the heart, balance emotions, and deepen our spiritual journey. Whether you are looking for physical healing or emotional liberation, this mudra can be a powerful companion on your path. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more deep dives into yogic practices. Let's continue this journey together. One breath, one mudra, one movement at a time. Namaste.